Ladies and gentlemen, time is the most valuable resource we have. As we stand on the edge of 2025, the clock is ticking. And before we know it, 2026 will arrive. The question is not what the future will bring, but what you will do before the future comes. Every new year is like a blank page, but 2026 is not just another year. It is a turning point, a chance to prepare, grow, and transform yourself. So today, I want to share with you 5 things you must do before 2026. Things that will shape your future, build your legacy, and help you live with no regrets. Your body is the foundation of your success. Without good health, all dreams collapse. Before 2026, commit to eating better, exercising regularly, and prioritizing sleep. Is not an option. It's your ticket to energy, focus, and long life. The world is changing fast. One source of income is no longer enough. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side business, or investing smartly, make sure you build financial security before 2026. Money gives you freedom, and freedom gives you choice. No matter how successful you become, life without meaningful connections is empty. Spend time with your family, nurture friendships, and network with people who inspire you. Before 2026, make sure the people who matter most know how much they mean to you. Technology, AI, and automation are reshaping the world. The jobs of tomorrow will not be the same as today. Before 2026, invest in learning skills that will stay valuable: communication, leadership, digital literacy, and adaptability. Skills are your true wealth. If you don't know where you're going, you'll end up anywhere. Before 2026, write down your goals, your dreams, and the lifestyle you want to live with. Clarity creates power, and when you have a vision, every step you take becomes purposeful. The comfort zone is where dreams go to die. If you want a better life, you must challenge yourself, take risks, try new experiences, and overcome fears. Before 2026, promise yourself to do at least one thing that scares you, but helps you grow. Before 2026, one of the most important commitments you must make is to your health. Think about it. Your body is the engine that drives every dream, every goal, and every achievement in your life. Without health, success becomes meaningless, and wealth becomes useless. Many people make the mistake of chasing money, fame, or recognition while ignoring the simple truth that none of it matters if you don't have the strength, energy, or longevity to enjoy it. Your health is your greatest asset, yet it's often the most neglected. So make this the year you take charge. Prioritize daily exercise, not as a punishment, but as a celebration of what your body can do. Replace unhealthy habits with nourishing ones. Eat food that fuels you, not food that slowly destroys you. Guard your sleep as if it were your most precious appointment. Because without rest, your mind loses clarity and your body loses vitality. Remember, the richest man in the world cannot buy back his health once it is gone. By 2026, make sure you build a lifestyle where your mind, body, and spirit are aligned. Because success is not just about what you achieve in the outside world, it is about how strong and alive you feel on the inside. A toy on the inside. Health is not just about avoiding sickness. It is about creating the energy, stamina, and clarity that will allow you to perform at your highest potential every single day. Imagine waking up each morning feeling light, strong, and full of vitality, ready to chase your goals without being weighed down by fatigue, stress, or illness. That kind of life doesn't come by accident. It comes from intentional choices. Before 2026 arrives, you must stop treating your health as a someday project and start making it your #1 priority today. Think of your body as the vehicle carrying you through the journey of life. You would never pour the wrong fuel into an expensive car or neglect its maintenance. Yet so many people feed their bodies junk food, skip exercise, and sacrifice sleep in the name of busyness. The truth is, every bite you take, every hour of rest you allow yourself, and every workout you commit to is an investment in your future. Health is not built in a day, but it is built daily. Small, consistent actions like walking instead of scrolling, drinking water instead of soda, choosing discipline over laziness, compound into massive transformation over time. And let's be clear, health is not only physical, it's also mental and emotional. Stress, anxiety, and burnout are silent killers in today's world. Before 2026, you must learn how to protect your peace of mind through meditation, journaling, gratitude practices, or simply disconnecting from the noise of technology to reconnect with yourself. Because a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Remember this truth. Money can buy medicine, but it cannot buy health. Fame can bring followers, but it cannot bring peace. Success can fill your bank account, but it cannot fill your lungs with fresh air or your heart with vitality. If you sacrifice your health to chase success, you will eventually spend your success to buy back your health. And sometimes it will be too late. That is why before 2026, you must take your health as seriously as your dreams. Because without it, no dream will ever truly come alive. Before 2026, one of the wisest and most urgent moves you can make is to create multiple streams of income. Stream 1 are the days when relying on a single paycheck was safe. The world is changing faster than ever. Jobs are being automated, industries are being disrupted, and entire businesses can vanish overnight. If you are dependent on one source of income, you are always just one decision, one crisis, or one layoff away from financial struggle. But when you build multiple streams of income, you give yourself freedom, stability, and power over your future. Think about it. Wealthy people do not rely on one door of opportunity. They build many doors. One door may be your career, another may be investments, another a side business, and another a digital project that earns money while you sleep. Each stream may start small, but combined, they create a financial river that flows no matter what happens in the economy. Before 2026, you must start thinking beyond survival and start building security. Don't just work for money, make your money work for you. This doesn't mean you need to become a millionaire overnight. It means you must adopt the mindset of financial growth. Thus, learn about investing in stocks, real estate, or digital assets. Explore side hustles that align with your passions and skills, whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation. Even small steps, like creating an emergency fund or automating savings, make a massive difference over time. The key is not waiting for a perfect time to start, because that time will never come. The sooner you plant the seed, the sooner you will reap the rewards. And here's something crucial. Multiple income streams are not just about money, they're about peace of mind. Imagine waking up every morning, knowing that even if one source dries up, others are still flowing. That confidence gives you freedom. The freedom to take risks, to pursue your passions, and to live without fear of financial collapse. It gives you the ability to say no to toxic jobs, to provide stability for your family, and to focus on growth instead of survival. The truth is, financial freedom is not built by working harder at one thing. It is built by working smarter at many things. That is why before 2026, you must commit to building at least one additional income stream. Because every step you take toward financial independence is a step toward living life on your terms, not someone else's. Before 2026, you must understand a simple but life-changing truth. Depending on a single paycheck is like standing on one fragile leg. At any moment, it can break, and everything you've built can collapse. One job, one boss, one company, that's not security, that's vulnerability. True financial security comes when you have more than one source of income, when money is flowing to you from different directions, and when your survival doesn't depend on a single paycheck. Look at the wealthiest individuals around the world. Almost none of them rely on one income stream. They have diversified into businesses, real estate, stocks, digital platforms, and investments. Even if one avenue fails, the others keep producing. That is why they are not constantly living in fear of losing their job or of the economy crashing. You may not start with millions, but you can start with your mindset. And that mindset should be, one income stream is never enough. Multiple income streams can take many forms. For some, it might be freelancing after work, turning a skill like writing, design, or teaching into extra income. For others, it could be starting a small online store, creating digital products, or even monetizing a passion on social media. It could also mean learning how to invest wisely, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Even something as small as renting out a space you don't use or earning passive income through digital tools can start building your financial safety net. And here's the truth most people ignore. Building multiple streams of income is not just about money. It's about freedom. Imagine waking up knowing that your bills are already covered by income sources you created. Imagine not living paycheck to paycheck, not begging for a raise, not worrying if your boss suddenly decides you are replaceable. Multiple income streams give you choices. Choices to walk away from toxic environments. Choices to spend more time with your family. Choices to pursue dreams without the constant shadow of financial stress. But let's be real. It takes work. It takes sacrifice, late nights, early mornings, learning new skills, and being willing to step out of your comfort zone. Most people won't do it because it requires patience, but those who do will look back at 2026 with gratitude instead of regret. Because while others were waiting for opportunities, they were creating them. Remember, the economy doesn't care about your comfort, your bills, or your excuses. The world is moving forward at lightning speed, and if you are not preparing for financial independence, you are preparing for financial struggle. That is why before 2026, you must create at least 1, 2, or even 3 additional sources of income. Because the truth is simple, your future depends on it. Before 2026, one of the most meaningful investments you can make is in your relationships. Too often, people chase money, titles, and achievements, only to reach the top and realize they are standing there alone. Success without someone to share it with is empty. True wealth is not just measured by the size of your bank account, but by the depth of your connections with family, friends, mentors, and the people who bring meaning to your journey. Think about it. When life gets tough, it's not your money that comforts you, it's the people who stand beside you. When you achieve something great, it's not the applause of strangers that truly matters, but the pride and joy of those who know your struggles and supported you along the way. Relationships are the safety net that catch you when you fall, the fuel that motivates you when you're tired, and the mirror that reflects the best version of you when you forget who you are. But relationships do not grow on autopilot. They require time, effort, and intentionality. In today's fast-paced digital world, we are more connected online, yet more disconnected emotionally than ever before. We scroll through feeds instead of looking into eyes. We type messages instead of having real conversations. And we assume people will always be there, forgetting that time is fragile. Before 2026, you must decide to put effort into building and strengthening genuine bonds. Call your parents more often, spend quality time with your children, reach out to old friends you've drifted from, and surround yourself with people who inspire, uplift, and challenge you to grow. And it's not just about personal relationships, professional relationships matter too. Networking with the right people can open doors that hard work alone may never open. Mentors can shorten your learning curve. Collaborators can multiply your impact. And communities can give you support that fuels your vision. Every strong connection you build is like planting a seed that can grow into opportunities, guidance, or lifelong friendship in the years to come. Relationships are also about reciprocity. Don't just ask, what can I gain from this person? Instead, ask, how can I serve, support, or add value to this person's life? When you approach relationships with generosity instead of greed, you create bonds that last, bonds built on trust and respect, not convenience. Because when storms hit, and the people who stand with you will not be those you impressed with status, but those you cared for with sincerity. So before 2026, make this a personal mission. Strengthen your relationships. Don't wait for special occasions to express love. Don't wait for a tragedy to remind you of what matters. And don't wait until it's too late to say the words that should be spoken today. Because in the end, when everything else fades, it is not the material things that remain, It is the people who walked with you on the journey. Before 2026, one of the greatest priorities you must embrace is strengthening the relationships that shape your life. At the end of the day, we are not remembered for the titles we held, the cars we drove, or the houses we lived in. We are remembered for how we made people feel, the memories we created with them, and the love we gave. The truth is simple. No dream is too big if you have the right people by your side, and no victory feels fulfilling if you have no one to share it with. Think of your life as a tree. Your skills, talents, and career are the branches, but the roots, the very foundation that keeps the tree alive and steady, are the people connected to you. When storms come, weak roots will fail, but when your roots run deep, no storm can break you. That is why relationships must not be treated as optional. They are essential to your growth, your stability, and your happiness. But here's the challenge. Relationships take effort, and too many people live as if their loved ones will always be there, waiting patiently for their attention. They put work above family, money above friendship, and comfort above connection. Then one day, they wake up to realize years have passed, calls went unanswered, friendships faded, and moments that could have been cherished are gone forever. Do not let that be your story. Before 2026, be intentional. Pick up the phone and reconnect with someone you've drifted from. Visit your parents not just on holidays, but on ordinary days. Take your partner on a walk, not just a dinner. Be present with your children because they won't stay children forever. And relationships aren't just about family. They extend into your professional world as well. Opportunities flow through people. A single conversation with the right mentor can save you years of trial and error. A strong partnership can multiply your results beyond what you could achieve alone. A supportive community can keep you motivated when your own strength runs low. In a world driven by competition, don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Build bridges, not walls. Because while talent gets you noticed, relationships take you further. Yet, the key to strong relationships is not just presence, it's authenticity. Too often, people wear masks, pretend to be perfect, or only show up when they need something. But real bonds are built on honesty, vulnerability, and trust. Don't just show people your achievements. Show them your struggles. Don't just ask for help. Offer it. Don't just receive love, give it without condition. When you invest in people sincerely, you create unshakable bonds that outlast time, distance, and challenges. So before 2026, promise yourself this. You will stop letting busyness rob you of connection. You will choose dinners filled with laughter over endless hours of scrolling. You will choose heartfelt conversations over shallow interactions. And you will choose to cherish the people around you. Not someday, but today. Because when everything else fades, what remains is not what you had, but who you had. Before 2026, one of the smartest decisions you can make is to invest in upgrading your skills. The world is changing faster than any other time in history. Industries are being reshaped, jobs are being replaced, and entire skill sets that were valuable a few years ago are becoming outdated. The question you must ask yourself is this. Will I be ready for the future, or will I be left behind by it? We live in a world where technology, artificial intelligence, and automation are rewriting the rules of success. The skills that brought you here may not be the skills that will take you further. That's why you must constantly adapt, learn, and grow. Think about the most successful people you admire. They are not the ones who got comfortable with they knew years ago. They are the ones who kept reinventing themselves, learning new things, and staying ahead of the curve. Upgrading your skills doesn't just mean learning more technical knowledge. It means preparing yourself in every dimension. On one side, you must master digital and practical skills, understanding how technology works, learning new tools, and staying informed about trends in your industry. On the other side, you must develop human skills that machines can never replace: creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, communication, adaptability. The future belongs to those who can combine technical ability with human understanding. But here's the reality. Learning requires humility. Learning requires humility. It means admitting that what